as we begin a journey of awakening or enlightenment or self-awareness or empowerment, there is a need to have quiet moments. After all, experience is the best teacher in life. So I invite you right now to join me for an amazing, uplifting experience, taking you from where you are right now to this beautiful space within yourself. And so if you opened onto this video right now, a very special welcome to you by name. I am Prashana Bhima, and I have been exploring the art of self-awareness, or we term it meditation, for a good few years now. But I have to tell you, it's only been the last maybe 5 years that I could really see the impact, the benefit it has on my mind and even the health of my body and even my reactions and interactions with people. And so if I had to look back on myself, I used to be very, what's the word I'm looking for? Judgmental. Yes, I used to always look at others. And then what happens in the psyche, we either compare ourselves, so by that we become impressed or depressed. But when I embarked on a meaningful exploration of myself, something was lifted, and I got to see firstly my own challenges, or should I say my weaknesses. But it actually wasn't weaknesses. At that time, where actually wherever you are, we do things because we working from an identity basis, and we think that's right for us, and then we end up trying to catch our tail. But in quiet moments, you get to see that my own self, I actually sabotage my own self, and then we kind of blame shift, we blame others for where we are at. This was the hardest learning and growing that I've had to learn. And it was a liberating experience to step back, stop criticizing, judging, commenting, because each one has their own story to tell, right? And here we are, we all have a story, but the magic of this moment is that you can change the whole play of your life in an instant. But it takes years of build-up to get you to where you are. And so let's begin. Let's have a few moments of turning inwards. And it's experience that changes the whole perception, attitude, and life on the external, because we all have needs, right? But how often is the need in alignment with your authentic self? It's something to think about. So let's explore and experience, taking ourselves away from the noise of the world, the noise of my own mind, and step into peace and calm and into who you're meant to be. So let's begin. I'd love for you to close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths now, and allow the physical body to relax. When you become still, the thoughts become present. So as I breathe in peace and calm, I drop down the weight even more of my mind and body. And I just observe the train of my thoughts, and I bring it back to center space. there's a resonance of life force energy within myself that cannot be seen with these physical eyes, but is felt in the heart. So I breathe deeply and I settle down. And I go deep into this oasis of a very solidifying energy within myself. Now, what do I feel? What do I see? And what do I hear? And I drift away into perfect harmony. Because there is harmony within myself. There's harmony in my body. There's harmony in relationships. It's perception that we think otherwise. So I sink deeper into calm and I stay here for just a second. And that's what it takes to reconnect with your true self. And when my true self aligns with the role that I play, I then am in harmony with life. And whatever your needs are will flow to you organically. So lovingly bring your awareness back to the center of the forehead, back to this present moment, and open your beautiful eyes. Thank you so much for joining me, Prashana Bhima, on this exploration. And I hope we can journey together going forward. Stay centered. Take moments in the day, first thing in the morning, to recenter. Past is past. The future I do not know. But this moment reshapes the next. So love and light until we connect again. Bye for now.